drink. Great slush.
Ramen noodles. Specifically, beef.
An extra pair of shorts.
6 ounces of pure boiled water.
An extra pair of underwear.
A knife for cutting the beef.
911 on speed dial.
Enjoy.
This is Zach,
And Cody.
and welcome to the cooking show with Zach and Cody.
Now, today's special, beef noodles.
How
Now-
to prepare a good, honest, full meal for your family without all the hassle of boxes, flavors, and all that stuff.
5 minutes is all you need.
All in one package.
Now, the tools you need today are a spoon,
A drink for rehydration.
a quality knife from Target, beef flavored noodles,
You're always going to need an extra pair of underwear if and in case you spill. Mine are accidentally bleached. Forgive me.
nudity,
An extra pair of shorts will also be a good idea too.
6 ounces of boiling hot water from the Bun coffee machine.
That's quality you cannot beat there.
Alright, so cut the crap. Here we go.
What will we be making today?
Beef noodles out of the box. Alright. Okay, what we're gonna do here is we get the noodles.
Now you could buy this at any participating convenience store, etc., etc.
Alright. Now you should get a cubicle noodle cube. You put it in your boiling water. You dump the rest of the crap out. And then you should have a little thing that says beef flavor. Don't know if you can see it or not. You can make it out a little.
Good enough,
Anyway.
Captain.
So, you let it soak for, I don't know, how long. But, you stir, you crunch.
Note that this is a professional cook and this should not be tried at home.
Unless under adult supervision. So the other day my friend comes up to me and he says, you know, our friendship is like butt cheeks. No matter how much crap gets between us, we always stick together, you know? You know how Rachel Ray does that? It's freaky, isn't it? You know, but anyway, now that our noodles are crunched and good, you get your quality knife from Target. That's where I got mine today. $10, well, $11, including tax. These have a little rip thing, but country boy, I don't care. Cut a hole in the top. Make sure to spread it evenly across your noodles. Remember, I'm a professional. Don't try this at home. We got the extra pair of underwear. This brown looks like crap, so you don't want to get it on your underwear.
Excuse me if I may interrupt. I need my Sonic drink.
For rehydration. Anyway, it starts to soak a little bit, and this is what you should get. Quality beef flavored noodles.
Now, how long does it take to prepare this delicious meal?
I don't know, let me check. 2 minutes. And in counting. So remember,
Next time you are out at any convenience store, any
But-
location that would have noodles, please ask your parents for permission before you try this. Now you can get this in not only just beef, but as in many
chicken and shrimp.
chicken. Oh,
Shrimp.
that is to
Shrimp
die
is
for.
a special.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes, delicious.
Our brand is
Maruchan ramen beef flavored noodles.
okay.
Yes.
I know it rhymes with Jackie Chan, but okay. This is the Cook Show Brother hosts. See you next time.